Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, very quickly and easily, I'll guide you through how to change your DNS server on Windows 11. So for this, guys, of course, make sure to firstly open up your stock settings on Windows 11. After that, we're going to navigate to Network and Internet. In here, you're looking for Ethernet. And in here, as you can see, we have our DNS server assignment. So if you wish to change it, press on Edit. Then instead of automatic, choose manual. In here, enable IPv4. And in here, as you can see, we have the field with the preferred DNS. In here, you can just type in your address and also the alternate DNS if you wish. And then when you're done, press on save. If you're using IPv6, you can also do IPv6 in here based on your preference. Enjoy, guys. If this helped you out, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.